Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show the battery percentage on your Mac's menu bar. Let's get started. But if it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, go to the top left corner of your screen and here you will see an Apple icon. So normally click on it and then choose System Settings or System Preferences. And then a window will pop up in front of you. Now normally go to the control center. And now if you scroll down a bit, you will see an option here, show percentage. Just check this box. And now if you look here, you will see that the battery percentage has been shown. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to show battery percentage on your MacBook. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.